Hey friends, and welcome back to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So as you know, at the start of each month, I usually give you a video just talking about that month. I definitely slipped in July, but better late than never. So here is July's video. And I have a special sentiment today. Before we get started, I want to say a beautiful happy anniversary to two of my best friends, Nate and Jessica. They are celebrating 5 whole years together. I'm so happy for you both, and I just wanted to take this moment to express that. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So, welcome to July, a month bursting with the spirit of summer and filled with vibrant energy and celebration. So, as we bask in the long sunny days and those beautiful warm evenings, July invites us to really infuse our homes with a relaxed, festive atmosphere. This month is, of course, synonymous with Independence Day festivities, where we gather with friends and family to enjoy fireworks, barbecues, and other outdoor activities and fun. So in this video, we're just going to explore and enjoy creative ways to bring the essence of summer into your decor, from incorporating patriotic touches and bright, cheerful colors to layering in breezy textiles and natural elements that really evoke the outdoors and bring them in. This relaxing summer season is all about making your home a haven of comfort and style, perfect for enjoying the very best that July has to offer. So as I stated, you can do this in the form of patriotic pillows or throws, maybe even home decor accents in that patriotic red, white, and blue color. Or you can just skip that altogether and go for bright, vibrant summer colors like yellows, greens, and blues. It's all about bringing a little sunshine indoors. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you tons of inspiration, and I will definitely see you in the next one.